YouTube? It's your girl ChericeShana. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys have not done already, please make sure you subscribe, like this video, and leave me some comments so we can have some engagement down below. Also, please be sure to follow me on social media. I have so much content coming out for you guys, and I'm really excited to keep up, you know, the momentum here and have videos up and stuff like that. So you guys know that this is a haul. Obviously this is a very small haul. I'm not so much makeup purchases this go around, but I have a huge makeup haul coming up really soon. I went in on the crayon case because they had a tax sale, 40% off their whole site, and I had to do it. So that haul is coming up soon. As soon as I get those items, I'll be hauling them for you guys, and you guys will see what I purchased. But let's go ahead and get started into this video right here. Not too much that I purchased, like I said before. I just picked up some stuff from Morphe, and I picked up some stuff from Juvia's Place. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. Let's start with Juvia's. So Juvia's also having a really bomb sale. If you don't know about it, now you know about it. They're having a 30% off sale on their makeup items. I saw lots of conflicting videos on Juvia's Place before, and I told you guys my experience was not like their experience. So make sure you take everything with a grain of salt. Not everybody's going to have the same exact experiences. And luckily my experience with Juvia's Place has been nothing short of amazing. So I did some purchasing on there. Like I said, they were having a 30% off sale. Plus you could have used an extra 10% discount, which means 40% off. Okay. And shorty stocked up. So I already had a few palettes from Juvia's Place I showed you guys in my last haul, and because the palettes were so pigmented, I had to get a few more. I am probably missing now just 2 palettes from the whole collection. Once I get those 2 palettes, I would literally have the entire Juvia's Place collection. The entire collection. It's a little bit much. Shopping happened. Okay, bear with me. So I purchased 3 palettes, and well, I purchased 5 palettes. But I purchased 3 eyeshadow palettes and 2 blush palettes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. I did say that I was gonna do a full Juvia's Place collection haul where I actually go into depth of which ones I like the best and which ones I could have possibly done without. But I haven't tried all of them yet to make that final judgment. So when I decide to get the 2 other palettes, I'll probably do that. But in the meantime, I will do videos showcasing me using each palette. So each palette I will do a few videos on, so I can at least show you guys a full range of different styles, different makeup looks, and different colors using the palettes. And I will get into swatching and all of that in another video. This is just to show you guys that I got the palettes. So the first ones I'm going to be showing you are the blush palettes that I got. I got the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette, which looks like this. And I got the Saharan Blush number 1. So I have Volume 1 and I have Volume 2. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the colors. So this is Volume 1. And I have swatched this a few times. These colors are so nice. The pants are pretty big. The colors are so pretty and pigmented. And this is the Saharan Blush palette Volume 2. I didn't really feel like taking them out the box and all of that, so I'm showing it to you guys outside of the boxes already. The boxes are basically the same color as the palette. So this is the color scheme that they have in the volume 2. So I feel like I can get a lot out of both these palettes because of the colors that they come in. I can definitely use a lot of these as blushes. I actually can use a lot of these as eyeshadows as well. And I could use a lot of these colors as highlights because I feel like the shimmer, I feel like I can use the shimmer colors as highlights. Yeah, so it's definitely multi-purpose. So again, these are the 2 palettes, the 2 blush palettes that I have, volume 1 and volume 2, Saharan. I picked up the Afrique palette, the Afrique, and this is how it looks. You guys, the box is gorgeous, and the colors are just as gorgeous. This palette features 12 shadows, and I'm loving the colors. I'm living for the colors of this palette. I picked up the Zulu palette, and this palette features 9 colors. Very, very beautiful colors, you guys. And the last palette I picked up is their newest palette, which is the Tribe palette. And when I saw some of the looks, I was like, yeah, I gotta get this palette, you guys. And I am very happy that I did. It is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this palette, especially because I'm really getting into green. Green's definitely one of the best colors in the spring. And those are all the palettes that I got from Juvia's place. And I got one thing at Morphe. And this is the one thing that I wanted to get and show in the other video, but I was not able to purchase it because it was sold out. And that is the Morphe James Charles brush set, okay? I showed you guys that I had got Sister James Charles's makeup palette, but when I got the makeup palette, the brush set was sold out. And I have an obsession with makeup brushes, and yeah, getting my hands on makeup brushes for me is divine. So once I saw that it was coming back, his palette and his brush collection was coming back, I knew that I had to get it, and I got it, you guys. This is how it looks out of the box. It comes in this cute tube. There are 34 brushes and 1 sponge. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I have not taken any of these brushes out of the packaging, and I don't intend to. You guys can definitely go to James Charles's page, his YouTube account. This is the sponge that I received, and these are the brushes. So much makeup brushes, you guys. I'm very excited about this. If you want to see all the brushes in depth, he has a full video where he shows each and every brush and the functionality of each and every brush. So there's no need for me to show it to you. Because he already does that. And so, yeah. But I just wanted to show you guys the things that I purchased. I am really excited about getting back into my love of makeup and makeup collecting, and I'm just so excited to move forward. I'm excited, and I have so much more videos to come, so stay tuned for that. And without further ado, oh yeah, what am I talking about? Here's a video right here that you guys should check out. Check this video out. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.